Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty. We do hair, makeup, skincare, hauls, reviews. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for coming back and support me. I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video is going to be another review slash try on this gorgeous clip-in hair extension from Goo Goo hair extension. And I'm telling you guys, I am in love with this hair extension. So I'm gonna be putting a video here on the side, show you guys how I apply my clip-in hair extension. I decided to take this month for treat my hair a little bit, so I remove my taping hair extension that I love and remove my acrylic nails. You guys can see I even buy some press on nails, but I'm putting treatment on my natural nails, so I didn't want to put glue on them, so at least for the first week without the acrylic. So after the second week without nothing on, I'm just going to use press on for film. Today let's talk about these clip-ins. So like I told you guys, I removed my taping extension and I'm gonna try to be a month or two without them, just wearing clip-ins for film. I have the info here so I can give you guys the accurate info on the hair extension. So, and this is the hair. It's super beautiful. This is a 20-inch clip-in hair extension. One thing I have to tell you guys about this hair extension is how thin the band actually is. This is actually the thinnest invisible band I ever saw. I own many pair of hair extensions, and this one definitely take the cake for be the best one. And this gotta hide so good, and this should be perfect for people with thin hair, especially like me. You know, I don't have much hair left after all the bad things that I do to my hair. So this is really amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and start installing this so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. Hair is gorgeous, super healthy, super stunning. This one is the seamless clip-in hair extension, dark brown with balayage, color 262. I'm telling you guys one thing, I have the video here on the side show you guys how to install clip-ins. It's one that I'm a big fan because you pop in when you want and you pop out when you don't need it. So it's perfect for you that doesn't want the commitment for like a tape-in or beads or whatever it is, you know, the same permanent hair extension. This is a great little accessory for you. Or even if you do have long hair but you're just lacking a little volume, you just want to pop in some clip-ins for give you a little volume for like an event, a party or whatever, that's perfect too. So this clip-in from Goo Goo hair is so beautiful and so healthy, and the hair is full all the way to the end. You guys are seeing here, this is a 20-inch and it is gorgeous. And the one thing I have to say, like I was saying, I have many pair of clip-in extension, and this one is the first one by far with the tiniest hair weft that I ever see. The best one, I have to say. All the invisible ones that I have, the weft is more or less like this big, and this one is like a half the size. So if you're like me that doesn't have much hair, I do have a little bit of hair. I used to have a lot of hair before, but after bleaching and destroying hair to hot tools, now I have just a little bit. But they lay so flat against your head that literally look like, you know, wearing nothing. They are amazing. I'm in love with them, and I'm going to be using this a lot on my coming videos. If you guys have any question about Goo Goo hair or this clip-in or any other hair extension they have, you guys know that I'm very familiar with hair extension, all of them, because I love them. So please drop in the comment below, and I try to answer the best I can. And I also is going to be in the description of this video the link for Goo Goo hair if you guys decide to check them out and give them a try. I also gonna tag them on this video. If you guys have any question direct for them, you guys can go ahead and ask them. Look how gorgeous this little box is, right? Pink with gold, have like my name right all over, and it's super beautiful. That's how it comes so well packed with two seals on each side. So when you open the box, of course, normally you have the hair extension in that I have in my hair now. In here you come with this little booklet, like it's an instruction, and they show you guys about Gogo hair and tell you guys a little bit about the company. Here you have like a number, all the little section that if you have question about the different type of hair. And they also have this little thing here that shows you guys the length of the hair extension that you're getting if you buy them, which is really nice if you're not familiar with hair extension. And here is some other of the products that they have, like the Beloved taping that I love it, and show you guys here how to install. It's super easy. And here they have how to remove the tapes. Here they have other type of hairs that they also have. So the booklet is very informative and have a lot of very good information here for you, especially if you're new to clipping hair extension or any type of hair extension. They here explain you all. I really love this little booklet, and here they show you how to care for your hair extension, which is very important. Let me tell you this right now because I'm familiar with. If you use any type of hair extension, I advise you, for personal experience, please care for them the same way that you care for your hair, because they are human hairs. Use a specific shampoo without sulfate in, because I don't know if you know, but sulfate is salt and actually dry up your hair. So the sulfate free is perfect hair and conditioner for them, for keep them alive and soft for longer. That's how I care for my hair extension. And my clip-ins, I'm gonna lie for you guys, I have clip-ins that's 2-3 years old and they are impeccable on my closet in the box put away. I have black, brown, you know, blonde, and also they are nice enough to throw in the box a pair of fluffy lashes. This is extra. And they also came with this beautiful hair clip here for help you to install your clip-in hair the way so you can apply your clip-in hair extension. And they come with this beautiful little silk bag here that you can use for putting your little stuff in. And also with this pretty black scrunchie that I loved. I love a good scrunchie. They send you extra pair of the little clips in case you lose one, which never happened to me. I have like many of these clips safe, but all my clip-ins never ever once I have problem with the clips. Alright guys, so I went in out of the camera and just curl the extension a little bit, and this is the final result. And this is what look like after the hair curl. And this hair is 100% human frame hair, so you can curl, you can color, you can do whatever you want. And like I said, this is a 20-inch clip-in extension, invisible clip-in, and it's fabulous. I'm gonna link the link below for Gogo hair if you guys are interested in try the hair extension. And they not only have the clip-ins, they do have tape-ins and all the different type of hair, and the product is fabulous. Tell you guys, I am in love. And now that I don't have tape-ins in it, this is definitely going to be my go-to hair extension for film. So this is all for this video. I'm gonna have the link below for Gogo hair if you guys decided to give them a try. I see you guys next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.